Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to create a horizontal and a vertical scroll effect using this Instagram profile screen. As you can see on this screen, these Instagram highlights are moving towards the left and the right due to the effect of the horizontal scroll, which I'm about to teach you, and then the grids are also sliding up due to the effect of the vertical scroll. So this is what we're going to be learning today, and I'm so excited. So let's get right into it. We're going to start off with our horizontal scroll. This is the full length of our Instagram story highlights. I'm going to select this Instagram highlights, right click, and then select frame selection. I'm going to come back here to see the width of the visible Instagram highlights contained within the four walls of this mobile screen, which is 390. So I'm going to come back to our new frame and then select the outermost frame and drag it back till the width is 390. I'll keep it highlighted and come to this toolbar section and select clip content. So once I've done that, I'm going to come to the prototype section and I will select our scroll behavior and change it to horizontal. I'll select this, copy it, and then replace our previous highlights with this new one. So I'm going to paste to replace. We can now preview our interaction. Our Instagram highlights are moving with flexibility. They are maintaining the normal margin of this grid. We have to get back to our screen again so we can do our vertical scroll. For our vertical scroll, we only want this grid section to scroll vertically, while these ones are just static. I'm going to select this, select our Instagram highlight, and even select this icon section. I will right click and add frame selection. I'll come to this fill color section and then give it a fill color of black. Once I've done that, I'll come to this prototype section and leave the scroll behavior to fixed, no scrolling. I'll select this bottom nav menu and then set the horizontal constraint to center, and I'll set the vertical constraint to bottom. I will now select our Instagram grid and then right click and also add a new frame using the frame selection feature. If I uncheck the clip content feature, you will see that our Instagram grid is overflowing. I'm going to select this frame and then adjust the length a little. Then I will select this frame and head over to the prototype section to make sure that the position of the scroll behavior is set to scroll with parent and the overflow is also set to no scrolling. I will come back to this design section and check this clip content and make sure that the mobile screen itself is set to vertical for the scroll behavior. Now we're going to preview our vertical scroll. This is the effect. This is how it works. You can be able to freely scroll up, scroll down. It's very flexible, and also this is working as well, our horizontal scroll. So guys, this is the end of this tutorial and I hope that you learned something today. If you have questions or concerns at all, please do let me know in the comment section.